Hi guys, so this is my quick update on DXY on gold guys. Sorry, what am I expecting on gold? I'm expecting a push to the downside on gold. If you watch my previous analysis on gold, I said I was expecting, I think gold was around this area to somewhat push up to around this area right here, because we can see there is this break of structure around that area. So I said there's a possibility we might push down here for us to now continue to push to the downside, which was my target. My 2014.91, that was my target, and we can see that we came to this level right here. It gave me, we rejected around that candle, around the zone. It gave me this engulfing candle, and my thought was we might just continue to push to the downside because of that, but we can see that it did not hold. We just continued to tank to the upside, and it's I rejected around my 23.6% fib level with this long hook rejection. So there's still possibility for us to at least get to my negative 61.8% fib level, because I still see it as a down move. So that will be my next target, because we have rejected around my negative 27% fib level, and around that area is a retracement area, and we have retraced as well. If I just use my fib right here to just have like from point A to point B right here, we can see that it has reached my negative 27% fib level right here, and it gave this long week rejection guys. So, and it has filled this imbalance right here. So I still, everything is just giving me more of a confluence that we might just continue to push to the downside. So that will be my thoughts right now, that we're finally going to get to my next TP, which is my negative 27% fib level. So based on that, I'm still riding on it, right? Let me go to more smaller time frame just to see if I'll see any imbalances to kind of work with. Okay, I see it. So now this is my thoughts right now on gold, just because I still see it pushing to the downside until otherwise happen guys, because we can still see, if I zoom in overall, we can see a buy overall, because we can see something like this, and impose a sort of a correction and continue to push to the upside. I can see that on gold, but I also want us to remember that where gold rejected from as well is a sensitive area. If I zoom in, you can see that whenever I get to this touch the trend line, there is a rejection, and we can see that gold got to that level right here and rejected. So that can also count for like an overall downtrend on gold, to be honest. So I just think we have to be a little bit open-minded, right, and see, and gold can still even tank up to at least my 50% fib level to give us a first touch, second touch, a possible third touch before tanking to the downside. So there are a lot of possibilities here guys, so we have to be mindful, and that is because we can see that this candlestick was an engulfing candle, a bull engulfing candle. So that can also signifies that the market is a little bit bullish right now. So if we still see more bullish run, right, then we're going to ride it up to this trend line right here. But like I said, don't forget that we rejected around an imbalance right here, so that can also be a continuation to push to the downside. So right now I just think gold is a little bit trickish, which means I think we have to have a little bit more confluence before I take the trades to the downside. And the reason is because it's kind of conflicting right now, and it can go both ways, to be honest. We can still continue to push up on gold, or we can just continue to push down on gold. That is why I'm saying, asking, we need confluences, and what I need right now for one part of confluences is just to give me momentum of it pushing to the downside. I want the confirmation that gold is going to push to the downside, and the confirmation I want is, I want one more lower high, to be honest, one more lower high for me to know, because you can see that gold did not even break the previous lower high. So we can see a lower high here, a lower high here. Even this can be a lower high to continue to push to the downside. So that's why I'm trying to say that we have to be mindful on gold and be careful right now. Let's see how the market goes, because It's just giving me double-sided, to be honest. If I draw a zone right here, we can see this is a significant zone right here. We can see there's a rejection here, rejection here. Gold is currently rejecting multiple times around that zone, so there's a possibility for a tank up. That's first, like I said. So we just have to be a little bit mindful and watch how gold is going to react right here. So I have different instance for what I think I'm gonna watch out for. So there's a possibility for it to break up here. Give me a retest for a lower high around this area. Just like I said, I'm looking for a lower high for me to know that gold is now continuing to push to the downside. And if I see a lower high, I'm definitely going to ride it to my negative 61.8% fib level right here, because that is certainly my next target. Right there is my next target, right? And we might just, if I use a small fib right here from here to here, I think I saw an imbalance around around my 61.8% fib level. So there's a possibility that gold might come around this area right here before tanking to the downside. So like I have a lot of scenarios on gold, to be honest, guys. So let's just watch out for what might happen. And there's another scenario that we might just continue to tank up to maybe around this area right here. Around this area right here. So if you're buying on gold, let's see how the market momentum is. That will be my target around that area. And my reason is because there is this imbalance right here, right, and break of structure. So watch out for 61.8 and my 50.2. So watch out for 30.70 and 20.40 on gold for buy direction. And like I said, if you still see tanking to the downside, certainly my next target is my negative 61.8% fib level, because we've hit my first target right here, which is there. So that is my thoughts and scenario on gold, guys. Please look for more confirmation before entering on gold, because it can genuinely go both ways. And I've said the reason why I think it can go both ways. So that is my thoughts on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. And don't always forget to use proper risk management. And I really appreciate you guys, especially my OGs that's always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to always comment down below, and I'll do my possible best to answer or reply back as soon as I can. And please don't forget to share this to your loved ones as well. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.